G'day, Greg Canavan here. I'm from Money Morning and I'm just here to give you a quick market update. Today we're going to look at some of the major US indices. First up, we've got the S&P 500. One thing I'm looking for this week is to see whether the main market index, which is the S&P 500, can break out to a new all-time high. As you can see here, it's only 0.6% away of hitting a new all-time high, which was reached back in January of this year. So that's an interesting one to look at. If it turns down from here, I think we'll see some more selling. If it breaks through, it could break through and keep going higher very quickly. So good one to keep an eye on. The next one to look at, Dow Jones, that's still 3.7% away from an all-time high. So that's not quite confirming the S&P 500, which is a bit more bullish, and that may have something to do with the trade war rhetoric that's going on. The stocks in the Dow Jones Industrials are a bit more exposed to international trade, but at the moment you can see the index is quite a bit lower and away from an all-time high, so that may indicate that the S&P could struggle, as it's not confirming the S&P. Last one I want to look at today is the Nasdaq. That has been leading the bull market nearly all the way. It broke out to a new all-time high last month or a month and a bit ago, so it's been quite strong. Retreated in the last couple of weeks, but as you can see, the retreat just come down to support, which was the breakout point. So Nasdaq still looks strong, and given that it's the leader of this whole bull market, I think you need to see more weakness from the Nasdaq before we start worrying about a bear market or anything too drastic happening. That's it from me. We'll see you next time. Thanks for listening, and be sure to click on the link below to subscribe to Money Morning for more market updates.